Let's go.
Hello.
The truck is almost full. To go to the recycling center, touch the green button on the right. To continue picking up recycling cans, press the blue arrow on the left. This is the recycling center, where you can dump the recycling and sort it. Touch the blue arrow to go inside. Whew, that was a lot of recycling. On the conveyor belts, you can see all the things that we recycle. We recycle things made from paper, plastic, metal, and glass. Dishwasher soap contains plastic. Broken light bulb, glass. Cookie box, paper. Plastic bottle, plastic.